Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we will be performing a practical workflow for pre-processing a Landsat 8 image in ArcGIS step by step. Landsat 8 is a satellite sensor that captures multispectral imagery of the Earth's surface, and ArcGIS is a popular GIS software used for geospatial analysis and image processing. So, let's dive in and learn how to pre-process a Landsat 8 image in ArcGIS. Step 1. Download and extract Landsat 8 image. Download a Landsat 8 image from a reliable source such as the QGIS Earth Explorer website. Select the appropriate search criteria, download the desired image in a compatible format, for example, Level 1 GeoTIFF, and extract the downloaded image to a folder on your local computer. Step 2. Open Landsat 8 image in ArcGIS. Next, open ArcGIS and create a new project or open an existing one. Navigate to the Catalog pane, locate the folder where you extracted the Landsat 8 image, and drag and drop the image into the Table of Contents pane. Step 3. Apply radiometric calibration. Once the Landsat 8 image is added to the Table of Contents pane, right-click on the image layer and go to Properties. In the Layer Properties dialog box, go to the Symbology tab and set the stretch type to None to display the raw digital numbers, DN, of the image. Close the Layer Properties dialog box. Now, go to the Image Analysis window by clicking on the Image Analysis tab greater than Image Analysis. Select the Calibrate tool from the toolbar. In the Calibrate tool dialog box, choose the Landsat 8 image layer as the input raster and select the appropriate calibration method, for example, DN to radiance or DN to reflectance, based on your analysis requirements. Set the calibration parameters such as gain and bias values based on the metadata of the Landsat 8 image. Click OK to apply the radiometric calibration to the image. Step 4. Perform image enhancement. In the Image Analysis window, select the Enhance tool from the toolbar. Choose the appropriate image enhancement method, such as contrast stretching, histogram equalization, or stretch by standard deviation, depending on your desired image appearance. Adjust the enhancement parameters such as stretch type, stretch factors, and clip limits to optimize the image visualization. Click OK to apply the image enhancement. Step 5. Perform image subset and mosaic, optional. If you only need to work with a subset of the Landsat 8 image, you can use the subset tool in the Image Analysis window to extract a smaller region of interest, ROI, from the image. If you have multiple Landsat 8 image scenes and want to mosaic them together, you can use the Mosaic tool in the Image Analysis window to combine the scenes into a single image mosaic. Step 6. Export processed image. Once you are satisfied with the pre-processing steps, you can export the processed Landsat 8 image to a new raster dataset or a different format for further analysis or visualization. Right-click on the processed Landsat 8 image layer in the Table of Contents pane and go to Data greater than Export Raster. Choose the desired export format and set the output location and file name. Click OK to export the processed image. And that's it. You have successfully pre-processed a Landsat 8 image in ArcGIS using a step-by-step workflow. We hope this tutorial was helpful in understanding the pre-processing steps involved in working with Landsat 8 imagery in ArcGIS. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more GIS tutorials and geospatial insights. Thanks.